it's Miss Hake, and we just listened to the fairy tale Cinderella. Now, Cinderella had some help from some furry little friends in the castle. Do you remember what they were? Yeah, mice. So I thought it would be neat if we made a mice maze, and we use marbles or beads to get as mice, so we can get the mice through and to the castle. So watch this. You'll need a tray or a box lid. You will need some Play-Doh or some straws like you saw in the video. And you're going to pick a starting point, and I kind of drew my castle here. So I'm going to keep working and twisting and turning my maze so that when you roll the mice, they'll know how to get to the castle. Now, this isn't finished, but you can make your castle as fancy. You can make your castle as loopy and turny with some dead ends or not. And you can have fun twisting and turning your lid, your cookie tray, whatever you have to make a maze for your mice, just like in Cinderella. Okay, have so much fun with this, and I will see you soon. Bye.